Sir Paul, kakapi mo si Pau Pau, saka sila Sir Anthony. Ayan, pupunan nila Sir Anthony banana. Ayan, 5 sila Marvin. Hoy! Nagkabanggaan yun dyan!
Pau on the left side. Inside pass to Sir Paul. Sir Paul, 2 points. On the right side, 1-3 forward pass. Pass to Lindon. Lindon takes over. Misses. Pau using his quickness. Stops. Pass. Faking, pull up, yes sir! What a control by number 1. That takes them 4-0. De La Cruz behind the block. On the right side, saw the opening to number 10. No good. Number 8, Solis with the right hander. 6-0. Denies for the fast break transition. Number 5, quick teardrops. Zabala takes over again. Fading, no good. La Paz on the right side. Pull up J, no good. Sir Paul behind the block. Cross is over. Inside, back pass to number 4, De La Cruz. De La Cruz stops. Bounce pass on the right side. Kanila ulit. Takes the foul. 2 free throws for number 10. Yes, sir. 1-6. Yes, sir. 2-6. Pau making on the left side. Back to Pau. On the right side, denied by De La Cruz. De La Cruz wide open. 2 points para kay Marvin De La Cruz. 4-6. Crossover. What a shift in players. Solis faking. Inside converts. My goodness. What a play by Solis. What a shifty player to the left, to the right, to the right, to the left. No good. 8-0. Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you po. Bukas ulit. Thank you, mga sir. Sayang wala tayong group picture pa. Okay lang. Sige. 2-0. 6-8. Number 1 crosses over. Hey! Stop and go. Go and stop. 10-6. On the right side, bounce pass to Lindon. Lindon. Back to De La Cruz. What a ball movement. 8-10. Pau fast break opportunity using the glass. 12-8. Number 10, 3. No good. Sir Paul recovers the ball. Sir Paul controlling the rebound. On the number 1 behind the back. Oh! Slips on his hands. 12-8. That's good. De La Cruz. Stolen to Solis to Pau. Pass. No good. Number 16. Rebound on the right side, right side. Crosses over, denied by Popao, Popao. 1-2. Two strong lays. Change board. Scoring natin, 12-8. Lamang pa rin ang opensa ng apat. Drop step, Solis. Sizing up to Popao, Popao. To the number one. Denied by number 16 to Lindon. Lindon recovers the ball. Why? What a pass! My goodness, Lindon. What a court vision from Arcega. 10-12. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Denies again to number 10. Number 10. Lindon is there. Same ball. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Denied by Solis to Popao. Yan ang mga gusto ni Popao eh. Fast break. 40-10. Number 10, lays! Ang ganda! 12-14. Ganda na laban ah. Crosses over to Sir Paul. Solis is there, faking. Pull up, finding the glass. Sinagot ni Glass. 16-12. Number 10, lays. Yes, sir. 14-16. Number 1, quick transition, pull up, no problem, 18-14. De La Cruz, there's a traffic, finding a man, open man, number 16, with an upstep, converts, 16-18. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds, fast break opportunity, on the right side, same spot. De La Cruz stops behind the back. What a pass to number 10. Number 10 airs. Sa kanila ulit, Arcega. Oh, that's Ravel. 16-18. Last 2 minutes. Solis saw the opening. Too strong. Number 16 to number 14. Hey, what a job step by Marvin. All 80. Sayang. Sir Paul. Love pass inside. Solis free. No good. Number 1. Jamoran. Kanya ulit oh. Bilangga. Ay! Ganda. Marvin De La Cruz runs by number 10. Takes the lead. 20-18. Change favor. Oh. Opia. Trap. Huli ka. Nasa likod mo pa. Lindon. Hey! 22-18. That's put them on a 4-point lead. Last 1 minute. Number 1 to Solis. Denied by number 10. Number 10. Napakasimal. Foul. (22-18) last 55 seconds. To Marvin on the right side. What a ball movement. Arcega is there. Setting the clock. Number 10. Number 10, Rodman. 3. Good spin. No good. 22-18, last 35 seconds. Apat lang yan. They need to score quickly. Popao. Number 1, open. 3. Too short. Popao, last 15 seconds. To Solis. Solis, 3. No good. Last 9 seconds. 2 points. Last 3 seconds. game ball. 24-18. Ball movement saves the day. Wins the game. Marvin De La Cruz. Kukunan nila.